Hey guys, Cody Hofhine here. Super excited to be with you in this video today. We're just gonna do a case study, a simple case study about how we got this property under contract. Now, as bad as it looks, there's a lot of pros to this property we're gonna talk about in this video. So get ready for some fun. Now, while you're here, I want you to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so it alerts you when we do fresh new content, but let's get right down to business.
Ain't never gonna stop this fire.
I can't believe this business is so incredible, and if I can do this, every single one of you can do this. Every single one of you.
Something higher. Ain't never gonna stop this fire.
Hey guys, Cody Hofhine with Wholesaling Inc., the #1 wholesaling coaching program in the nation. Super excited to be with you today. Let's break down a case study. We're gonna talk about this beautiful home that you're looking at right now. It's actually in awful condition, but let's break this down because I think it's worthy of understanding. Just another lead source of how you can get deals, because this was pretty dang cool for us. This lead actually cost us $0, so there was really no marketing in a cost standpoint. So here's what we did. We made it a focus for everyone in our business to make sure that they're always sharing what they do. So we have acquisition managers, we have disposition managers, we also have me and Mark, the owners, but we also have cold callers, administrative assistants. We have individuals that are here in the company that we said, hey, just let everyone know what you're doing. When you go to church, when you go to events, when you go hang out with your buddies, when they ask you, what do you do? Oh, work for a company that we buy houses, and a lot of them are distressed properties. This is what happened. One of our cold callers, he shared this story, and he shared it just to neighbors, and he shared it with family, and he shared it with friends, and he shared it to church groups, and he'd go in there and he'd just say, hey, this is what we do. The company I work for, they buy homes, they buy distressed properties, ones that are in bad condition. Like, we'll buy anything as long as it's a good deal. And here's what happened. One of his neighbors said they were at work at a bank, and they worked for a bank, and the bank was trying to clear some books, trying to get rid of properties. And so the bank ended up talking to this individual that was one of my employees' next door neighbors, and says, hey, we're trying to clear the books and trying to sell some of these houses. How do you think we should go about doing it? And he says, well, my neighbor, he works for a company that's what they do. They buy houses and then they buy all the crappy ones. And the bank's like, oh, it's a crappy house. And so he's like, yeah, my neighbor says that's what they do. They buy these. So this came from one of our team members that does cold calling, just letting his neighbors know what we do for the company. He ends up going to work for a bank. The bank says they're looking to do this, and he says, hey, I just might have someone. It's the power of referrals and just simply opening your mouth and telling everyone you know what you do. And if you have a team in place, making sure that they also tell everyone what they do. If you can do that, more ears start to hear of the whole process, what it is you do, what it is you're trying to do, that you do buy homes, and the chances of getting a referral, it's not guaranteed, but it's just another avenue that allowed us to do this deal. Now, here's the numbers. Here's something interesting. We bought this home for $40,000. We have an individual that would be willing to buy this already for $80,000 as is. Now, I think when this actually gets demolished, because it's now rezoned to commercial, once this all gets demolished, it's going to be worth even more. The property's going to be worth more than what we already could get as is. So here's something interesting. You're looking at this home right now, all the boarded up windows, the boarded up garage. Here's what's interesting about this deal that we didn't quite think about, that I think is worthy of sharing, and that is this. Sometimes we buy properties and we don't think of some of the consequences that can happen and will happen when you buy a property. Because we bought this property just a few short weeks ago, these windows, some of them were boarded up, some of the boards were yanked off, and because of that, we had people living here, homeless individuals living in this house, and it's really bad inside. But we didn't know this until we got a phone call, and it's from the city police saying, we're gonna cite you with this citation. It's gonna be costly if you don't kick out the people out of that home and then board up the home and then clean the property up. There used to be mattresses here, there was garbage everywhere. There's even a city street light sitting on this property, and we're thinking, this isn't even ours. Like, this came from the city department. And so there were so many things going wrong with this property. That's why we got it at a deep discount. But then what we didn't know on the back end, that we were gonna have to board this up, kick people out, and clean up the property. Otherwise, we were gonna get cited by the police. So when you're buying properties like this, it's crucial you get it at a discount. But B, we learned that if you can just simply let everyone on your team know to share what it is they do, the likelihood of referrals starts to go up. And that is your best source of deals, because it costs this much money. It costs $0 to get this lead. And then next is, beware that what comes with crummy properties like this. Beware what comes with it. Make sure if you need insurance that you get insurance. Make sure that if you need make sure that the water lines don't bust, that you have heat on. Now this doesn't have any of that because we don't care. This thing's gonna get demolished. But just make sure you have all the things in place and know that you can be cited if you don't have boarded up windows, if it's a vacant house and it's a crummy home like this, and you can be cited if the yards has like garbage and crap all over the place. Now, hopefully you've learned some things here, but the main thing is go get those referrals, get those free leads, let everyone on your team know, like share everywhere, neighbors, friends, family, churches, events, share what they do so that your likelihood of getting free leads that turn into big money happens to you for 2020, because year end is coming up. Let's have a good year. While we're here, I want you to click that subscribe button. I also want you to hit the bell so it alerts you when we update fresh new content. But then down below in the comment section, if this is your first time watching a YouTube video from us at Wholesaling Inc., I want to welcome you, but I want you to type in the comments first time. If this is like a second time or a third time, I want you to go down there and say, I'm back. But if you have any comments regarding this property, what is we do exactly to get referrals, or whatever may interest you, write down the comments down below and I'll chime in. I love reading these and I'll make sure that I respond to them. Take care, guys, and we'll see you on the next video.